As I mentioned before, the plants that expand are the ones that you really want to have in your perennial garden, and just about 90% of them do. Some of them will expand so much you may not even want them in your gardens, or some of them will just get nice and bushy. Now, we talked about this thyme before that just will spread and spread and spread. And to take and put a shovel underneath it, take out the dirt, scoop it to another part of the garden is something you could do with this thyme, this little edging here, and all of these plants right around here. Now, this is a shrub. Just a shrub you might find around somebody's home, but I actually like the colors of it. Now, this is a little trickier because the base is all wood. So what you have to do with this one is as it expands, the shrubs will grow. So again, a nice sharp shovel, just step on it, break it away, and plop it in another spot. Works fine. Now, this little plant, I actually put in the ground last fall. It was probably the size of a dessert plate. And as you can see, it has probably tripled in size just in 1 year. So this plant next year may be too big for this spot. So what I may do this year is I'll cut it in half and put it in another spot, and hopefully it'll be okay. It's also a new plant. If it gets too big on me, I may decide it's not the right spot for it to be here. So you have plants that will just get larger on their own, little by little, and some plants that just get too big. So from year to year, it's like a little experimentation. What looks good in your garden, how much do you want, and how big do you want it to get? It's up to you.